Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can lock and unlock this device. So take a look. Right now when I try to power on this device, there is the indicator above the key. It means that the device is locked, so we cannot turn it on and we cannot pick any torch or change the temperature. And to fix it, you have to click and hold this key. When it blinks and you will hear this notification sound 2 times, it means that right now it's unlocked and we can turn it on. As you can see right now, we can select torch, for example the left bottom torch, we can change the temperature. And right now if you want to lock it back, just click and hold the key one more time. And as you can see right now, we are unable to change the temperature on this device. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.